I know you can get a home DNA kit who can tell you what country you're from, what ethnicity you're from, where your long-lost Uncle Lou is, what planet you're from. Sontar! Anyway, how about your dog? That's right, I was at the pet store today, and no one bought me. I was kind of hurt. And I noticed in the checkout aisle where they have, in the grocery store, they have that impulse candy stuff. Well, at the pet store, they have Doggie DNA testing kits. I find this fascinating because I'm a dog person at heart, although we haven't had a dog for about 10, 15 years because I'm lazy and dogs are a lot of work. Cats don't care, makes them a lot easier. And here's the thing. I have no care whatsoever about any aspect of the DNA of my dog unless the dog's also from Sontar. What are the odds of that? But when you look at it, and first of all, I know I'm going to get a lot of dog freaks or whatever out who are going to say, hey, Bob, we want to know whether the dog's really a purebred. We want to know whether or not, especially with inbreeding, whether or not it's got any of the genetic dispositions, all that. I get that, but at the end of the day, it's a freaking dog, okay? But here's the thing. I like the idea that the market was pretty much self-developed by the people who already had DNA testing. They say, well, we got the DNA for the humans. What else can we do? Duh. And it's a blue ocean market, or is it? Actually, there are websites that will give you rankings of the various Doggie DNA testing kits. Come on, who's going to give me some comments? You're going to give me some comments. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. That's painful.